welcome to or welcome back to Hello Hi for another great cannabis recipe. Now today is special. Not only do I have a new recipe, it is 420. So if you have started your festivities, to all of my subscribers, please smoke or eat something for me. And when I finish this video, I am going to do the same. So happy 420 to everyone. Now today I'm showing you how to make cannabis infused blueberry muffins with a lemon cream cheese filling. Now, when I tell you these muffins are delicious, these muffins are delicious. So please, please, please be careful when dosing with these muffins because they do pack a mean punch. So I also use in this recipe an infused vegetable oil, which I made in the Hello Hi Ultra Infuser. And you know I make all of my infusions in the Hello Hi Ultra Infuser. Now this infuser, you can find it on Amazon.com or on the Hello Hi Cooks website. So please go pick one up. And if you have not already, please leave a review on how much you love your Hello Hi Ultra Infuser. It really, really, really helps the business and I do appreciate it. So please go pick one up on Amazon.com or the Hello Hi Cooks website. And if you're ready for a new recipe, let's get started. This recipe, you'll need cake flour, sour cream, a couple eggs, some melted butter, some blueberries, and that good old canna oil. And of course, there's a few extra ingredients, but I'll make sure to leave those below. Now turn your oven on 350 degrees, and for this recipe, I'm going to start by making the cream cheese filling using 12 ounces of Philadelphia cream